What's going on, guys? Here I have a 2025 Audi Q7 and I'm going to show you how to reset the tire pressure monitoring system. So first of all, you want to fill up the tire pressures on all four tires, and to figure out the correct tire pressure, come to the door here and it'll say front and rear tires 36 and 39. Once you have those tire pressures set, come into the car, turn the vehicle on, and then from the main display here, we're going to scroll to the right, go to vehicle, and go to settings and service. Scroll all the way down to tire pressure monitoring, store tire pressure, and then hit store tire pressure. Yeah, click yes, and this will reset your tire pressure light. So again, you want to make sure that the tire pressures are all set properly before you do this. And that's it. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any trouble or questions, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.